you went off to help somebody and they just left you. Before we get going on today's video, we got a pretty awesome announcement. This Jeep Rubicon behind me could be yours. Just in time for Christmas. It's got Dana 44 axles, it's got electric lockers, it's got electric sway bar disconnect. It's currently got a winch on the front of it. It's got good rock bumpers on it. It's got rock sliders on it. 37-inch tires. It's got a custom exhaust on it. It's got upgraded bumpers. It's got hard fenders. This Jeep's got super nice interior. It's got brown leather seats. It's got an aftermarket stereo in it with an amplifier, nice speakers. It's got a rear view camera in it. It's got onboard air with it. It's got an ARB air compressor in it. It's got a full custom radiator in it, aluminum, so it stays cool. You don't have to worry about it overheating. The AC blows nice and cold. The heater works well. And we plan on doing even more upgrades than it currently has before one of you guys owns it. This Jeep is set up and ready to hit the trail right now. If you're interested in winning this Jeep, go to thefabrats.com to get the official rules and to enter to win this awesome Jeep. So every $5 you spend will get you an entry. This Jeep could be yours. All right, guys, we are headed on a recovery. So headed to Cedar Mountain. It's snowing and it's cold and rainy outside. Raining here, definitely snowing up there. We're headed to Navajo Lake. I don't even know what the car is exactly, truck. It's buried in the mud and snow. So let's go check it out and see if we can get him out of there. I got Jace with me today. Turn that around. So he's cameraman slash helper when needed. And we're gonna grab us some gloves because it's gonna be cold and ugly up there. Where are the Fab Rats? Right there. All right. We are in the tow truck because it's going to get western today, I think. Jace's going to get him a bigger jacket. He thinks he's going to be cold. Highly possible. We're going to turn the heater on. All right, away we go. Get these tires squared back up. They're a little round. They're a little, I said that backwards. Get them rounded up. They're a little square. Off we go.
Just turning off to where?
On Highway 14.
Oh yeah, she's snowing.
Alright, we're up into the snow now. It's white out up here. It's snowing pretty hard. Jace's advice and got a bigger coat. I think this Fab Rats heavyweight hoodie's gonna do me just fine. See, I got gloves, I got a raincoat in here if it gets crazy, so we'll see.
We shall see. There's getting some stuff on the road now.
Wonder how hard this thing's gonna be to get out.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's pretty nice that we can just jump in the tow truck and drive at places to do this.
Yeah.
She would have never done this with the big block. That thing broke down every time we went anywhere.
Sure.
You don't want to follow us. I thought he might come and see what we're headed for. Alright, this is looking like our first snow recovery of the year so far. We're about to the Navajo Lake turn-off. No playing in the snow, it looks like. Yeah, we're gonna play in the snow. Is Hadley supposed to meet us here?
I don't know, they said they were on their way. So they're gonna be here somewhere. I bet they just went down. He said he's not getting off the pavement.
Let's just cruise. Maybe they push the snow and we don't have to. We won't have to four-wheel. No, they'll push the snow. Let's just turn the hubs in now. Crack them hubs in and we won't have to mess with it.
Oh yeah, she's deep. Not super, but it's probably a foot.
Yeah.
Let me slap this GoPro on the front.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's gonna be a little
snowy.
Oh, I hope Hadley's smart enough to not come down here.
We'll pull him out too.
Yeah.
This is the dam.
I can look.
The next one's the dam.
We got an Onyx pin that says exactly where they're at. Yeah, dam's the next one. They're right there.
All right.
Onyx, they are right there.
Onyx to the rescue.
They gave us some coordinates. I put it in Onyx. Bada bing, bada bam. We know where they're at.
We'll see where that gets us. So far, it's never failed. We even found an Indian house.
Yeah.
With it.
Oh, what do we got here?
I never did get it four-wheel drives. That's still two.
It's not too bad then. Another one? Hadley's got LEDs, so.
I don't know who this is.
They stuck?
That's a Ford.
Are you lost?
No. No, are you?
No, we're just having fun in the snow.
Well, someone had a little too much. We're going up to see if we can help him get out.
Well, yeah, he tried to go down with the tow truck, but he's stuck.
Okay.
The tow truck is too?
He finally dug it out and got out.
Okay. Well, we'll go get him out of there.
Okay, there's two of them, I heard.
Oh, good. We'll go get him.
Have fun.
Yep.
Okay. Is this Hadley? It is in fact Hadley.
Yeah. Little stuck?
We're not stuck.
The tow truck got stuck, huh?
The tow truck got stuck?
No, that's what that guy was saying. Oh, he just said no, huh?
Tow truck stuck? I don't know, I haven't been down there.
Oh. That guy just said that there was somebody that came here and got stuck and finally got out.
Oh, there was one guy down here with the other kid.
Okay.
Got out.
All right. Well, let's go see what you're doing.
Yeah, we're walking out.
Well. And they got us a road blazed. It's not even too bad. Oh, we're just stuck in the snow. Is this what we're after?
Yeah, I guess.
Let's go see.
We're here. It's not too bad.
No. No, we're gonna be all
It's
right.
slick, but it's not terrible.
Hey, you're stuck.
Yeah, I think so.
I'm Paul.
I'm Tristan.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
We'll get you out of here.
That would be awesome.
No sweat. So
There's a
I
guy
think-
that said there was another person stuck.
Yeah, so I came down here to help him out, and he just starts rocking it back and forth. It just goes right out. I was
and
like,
leaves you.
yeah.
No good deed goes unpunished. That's how it is. All right, I'll hook on. I'm gonna drag you up this way first because I don't want to get you into the rocks.
Yeah.
And then we'll out of here.
Yeah.
Should be pretty good. I think those kind of look good in the snow.
Yeah?
Just a little bit. Well, you know, Ad, I thought we were gonna be getting you out.
No, I'm not stuck.
That's surprising.
All right, I found these guys.
Well.
Holy mud. What are you doing, bro? Yeah.
So how far is the mud that way?
How'd you make it up the hill?
It got muddy at the hill.
So we really only have to go around that turn and then it's not mud.
I don't know. I'm just getting stuck standing here, so.
And
The same kid that I went and picked his Ford up the other day, I guess the day before decided to cross the river in his car, and it was too deep and sucked water, so.
All right, car strap. We're out of here.
well, we made it back, Hadley.
Thanks, guys.
Some slick snow.
I know, it's pretty slick. like right here where the tire tracks are, it's pretty slick. How long you've been out here for?
Oh, probably since 2 o'clock.
Really?
Yeah.
That's terrible. Now it's freaking dark outside.
Yeah.
Should just be able to tug him right up.
I think.
You want those gloves?
No, not yet.
I mean, it's not like terribly cold. Sweet. Rope's a little frozen.
No knots.
No knots, you're good.
All right, you good with driving?
Yeah.
Okay, just I'm gonna give you a little bump. It'll pull you uphill, and then I'll try to make the turn.
Yeah.
Spin the least you can.
Yeah.
That way you won't slide.
All right.
I'm gonna stand on this nice handy dandy rock here so I don't get taken out. Maybe not. There, we're good. Nice. Waddle back here.
Might as well let those guys get in. You guys might as well bail in.
Oh, almost died.
A little slick.
Yeah,
We didn't even put that on the back.
I got it.
All right. Let's shut that off.
That's a douche move. Somebody came down. He came down
to
to
help them, and yeah.
It's still slick.
It's slick. Guy could fall down out here.
That wasn't too bad.
Ice out there.
That's way nice. Yeah.
Well, that wasn't too bad. I'm glad you weren't stuck in the mud. We came up here last time for a razor and it was buried. Some other dude pulled it out and broke the crap out of it. But glad you weren't in the mud. Snow's easy. All right, we'll ease out of here. Had we gonna have to tow you out?
Probably not. I mean, with my luck, I'm gonna be right
Your
behind
track
these
record,
guys
I
up
mean.
here.
So you went off to help somebody
Yeah.
and they just left you.
Yeah, he said he was going to stop at the road to just get service. Was there anyone over
Oh
here?
no.
Yeah, he's gone.
No, there was nobody.
He's gone.
That's awesome. People are awesome.
Well, we follow them and then,
We can.
yeah. It's gonna be a little cold.
Yeah, next time we use it, it'll be frozen in there. I'll move out of the way.
I'll film. Dude, look at this. This is terrible. We're down to my ankles. Ford pulled out. Look at that. Hadley might get out.
Get into all the kung pows, just a couple of them for that snow.
Give her the beans, Had. She's mint. Heck yeah. Oh, nice and cold, like,
That wasn't terrible, really.
wasn't bad.
I was expecting them to be just
Buried.
but
Yeah, they said he was buried over his tires.
I mean, he was stuck. probably wasn't getting out there by himself.
Probably not, no.
All right, well, another happy customer. Ease on out of here. This truck is pretty bad, eh?
Yeah.
When you wind her up,
You never even got in it that much.
it's not super hard. I stood on it once and it shifted down. Then I let off because I couldn't see. It was throwing too much snow everywhere. The snow's pretty deep. We're dragging differential in it.
Yeah.
It's leaving a trail when we go over in it.
See Hadley's diff.
Oh yeah, it's like skimming. We'll get out of here. Oh.
Come on, light. There we go. Ah,
What? It's full of snow? Hey, where's the hub at?
there it is.
There it is. Well, give us a call next time you guys go playing. We're always up pulling out, so it's fun for us. Gives us a chance to go use it.
This is sweet.
It does a good job. It's pretty fun.
Yep. You guys have a good
Anytime,
one.
guys. You can get hold of us. Ugh. All right, that wasn't too terrible. Let's go home and eat some food and call her a day.
Yes.
All right, made her home, safe and sound. Truck's not even too bad. Snow's not too bad to go in. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Until the next one, thanks for watching.